Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to show you how to make a YouTube banner. That's right, this video comes by request from Photo72. We get nothing but great requests from Photo72. Last time he gave us a request to do the filament spooler thingy, and this time a YouTube banner. You want to start out your channel, maybe you want to change your channel, maybe you don't have that thumbnail anymore, or that that file, that template to work right for you. Well, we've got you covered, so come. So basically it's really easy. I'll go through everything. There's a link to the GitHub repository, so click on that and it'll download the file. Okay, so it is called right here, YouTube banner PSD. You could use Photoshop or any other program that you use to manipulate graphics. Okay, knowing that, moving forward, we're going to open it. It should open up in Illustrator, not Illustrator, sorry, it should open up in Photoshop. Now there are other programs out there. I believe it's called GIMP. I'll leave a link to that in the description. GIMP is a free open source graphics tool. A little slow, a little clunky, but you know, if you don't have Photoshop or Illustrator, it's going to be the way to go, and you just will require patience and a faster processor. Okay, knowing eating mine isn't enough for it, or maybe it's just the GIMP just works that way. All right, so as you can see, we have layers. I'll leave everything here. You'll have exactly what you see here, but as you can see, this black line is everything that you will see in YouTube. Okay, so if we go here into my YouTube channel, right, you see my banner? I kind of left it in there. You could remove it, but they're guides to help you. But I just think it looks cool with because it separates everything, right? But everything that you see here is for folks that have YouTube television. We can throw in something in there. Let's see what we have here. We'll go to new. We'll go to PNG tree, right? And then we'll go here. This is a free, you can use images from there. I think you're allowed 3 or 4 a day. And then we'll type in TV, right? And you see, there we go. This looks really cool. I used that one before. So let's find something. Oh, let's take the little, no, it's not free. Not free. You got to look for the ones that say free. That one's probably free. So basically, if I download this one, right, and then select download, and then now just wait for it, 13 seconds, see it downloaded. Now I can close that window, and close. That one looks pretty cool. I kind of like that one. Well, you know, you can get caught up in this and be like, no, I like that one. No, I like that one. So, but we're just going to throw it in there for the sake of throwing it in. All right, so now if we go back here, and maybe shrink this a little bit because I have to get to the downloads folder. Now, go here and go there. Space bar, that's an old television, but that's how they were back in the day. So now anything, if you're really good with graphics, you can manipulate it so it's all one image, and then it'll just look phenomenal when people see it. In this case, they won't see this unless they're on a big screen, okay? So we'll go here, and then we're gonna go here and export it, right? And then how to, or you just call it whatever you want. I'm gonna call it how, just leave it like this. How to by Lou, call it 2 because it's my second banner, so I don't confuse the original one. Right, and select save. So now when I go back into my YouTube channel, you'll be on your splash page, right? And customize channel, and you're right here. If you see customize, you have your dashboard, you have content, analytics, etc., all the way at the second one from the bottom. And then we're going to do change. Okay, so I'm going to choose the second one. So you see, this will be like, wait, that weird image on the corner. No, you'll see, it'll all make sense. Now, as you can see, this is viewable on desktop, because that's why you can see it on my screen here, right? And this is viewable on all devices. See that? Viewable on all devices, viewable on desktop, and on the top right-hand corner, viewable on TV. So on TV, this is what they'll see. And also by default, so when I click done, see that? And if I go to published, hopefully, I forget how many times you're allowed to publish on you make changes to your stuff on YouTube before, like, you have to wait 24 hours or 6 months. I think it's in your text. I think it's in this. So be careful with that, because there's a cap on how often you can change the description to your site. Knowing that, moving forward, now, if I go here to my channel, YouTube, and if I go here to your channel, view your channel, and there we go, some music. So as you see, we don't see it, and that would only be visible on the TV. So, you know, just be creative with what you're doing here, because as you know, right here, they're not going to see that unless they're on the TV. So if you're really good at meshing or blending the graphics the way they do, you know, where you have like little blends, do it, and then you'll have that. So you know, I don't have that. So by default, this is what they'll see, but by default, it's going to throw that back into the thumbnail. So if I go into my live, and if I go, let's say if I don't create a thumbnail, I'm using a different thing, different something for streaming, that's going to be your thumbnail by default, which I haven't done in a while, as you can see. But it just automatically, oh, there it is right here. See? I'll just do right there. See where I am? But that's going to be your default thumbnail if you don't create one when going live. So, you know, try to be creative in that sense too. So that means that they'll see that little TV in the background if I have it there, right? When I go into my live stream, because it's going to push that as an automatic thumbnail. So just remember that. I'll change it in a bit after the video. And then everything else right here, remember, this is a template. This is a template that works. As you see, it's working. I just uploaded it. It works great. Everything's also done in layers. I could also do this. See, delete it, remove it. And then, so everything you do is in a layer. Maybe I don't want that. See, it just removed in the room of creations, which actually Liam came up with that idea. Hasn't replied. His emails are giving us bounce backs. So something must be up. But we just check him within every now and again. Hand the robot. See, everything's layer. Anytime you bring in a new image, it brings it in as a layer, and then you can just move it around. See, like move it there, or close it. And if I close it, I have the option to save or don't save. In this case, I'm going to select don't save. This way I can do this, go to export as a PNG, and then call it how to by Lou. It'll override the other one, replace it. And then now if I go to my here, I'm going to change it. See, how to by Lou. That's weird. Oh, because that's number 2. Remember, it should be the first one. Sometimes you have to do change again. See, and then the other one appears. Why it does that, I don't know. Sometimes you just have to do it again. As you can see, viewable on TV, and then viewable on desktop. This is what they see on the desktop is your computer, like right now. And then viewable on all devices. So on all devices, you'll just see that. And then I select done. Brian probably sees it on the big screen because Brian, we haven't heard from him in a while, does it from his television. So we have some viewers and some subscribers that also watch on their TV. So we keep that in mind too, because you want to, you know, make your thumbnail appealing and engaging for everyone. And be like, ooh, I like that. You know, and if you have the budget, hire someone to do this for you. But if not, like me or like, you know, Photo 72 and whoever else, you know, do it yourself. You know, you save money that way. Buy yourself a little something. So then if we go back here, and then if we press refresh, see, we have it there. But we'll never see the TV view unless you're on a television. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Kind of neat, huh? Gotta love it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below. Or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe. And I'll see you all next time.